Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw rainbow shell. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Like and share this video. Let's make it more neat and prominent. Let's color together. We are using rainbow colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, light blue color, dark blue color, purple color. Let's complete these colors. First we will use pink color. Red color. We are using red color. Orange color. We are using orange color. Yellow color. Which color we are using? We are using yellow color. Light green color. Light blue color. We are using light blue color. Dark blue color. We are using dark blue color. Purple color. We are using purple color. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.